Look at us, right? We are from the
From the
online.
IT.
We are in IT, but is that easy? Does that make it easy for us? No, it's still the same risk.
Yeah.
It's still that same fear that you have. Entrepreneur, right? It's a journey. You don't know. You don't. There's no map for it, right? So just imagine just standing on the edge of a very dense forest. Don't know how you're going to cross it.
Many
Right?
people will not have the confidence to become an entrepreneur, right? So they have to take small steps, is what I feel.
Hi everybody. Welcome to another episode of Freedom Formula. And today's topic is how do you build the confidence to be a first time entrepreneur? Kavya, tell me, how did you start this?
I started my entrepreneurial journey about 6 years ago, and if you ask me if I had the confidence, I had a little bit of confidence for sure. But again, I had confidence on the opportunity more, right? Like I knew that that opportunity, whatever I saw, can work for me. And with a little effort from my side, meaning if I put some effort to learn things, new skills, and also if I take a little risk, I think I thought like I can make it. So
Exactly.
of course, many people will not have the confidence to become an entrepreneur, right? So they have to take small steps, is what I feel.
Yes,
What do you say?
I agree with you. So, but I am a great believer, Vimal,
Okay.
in following success footprints. I don't know. I think I've done that a lot in my life.
Success footprints. Tell me more about that.
So after I became a model, I also wanted to learn meditation and do other courses and things. And by the time I came into this digital business, I realized that I don't understand much about digital, but I searched for the people who are successful and I watched their videos, I looked at their pages, and I started slowly following what they did.
Exactly.
I think this is a very bold step she has taken, because
agree.
she's like she said, you are not into digital, like you didn't know much about
No.
digital field, right? But she has still taken that bold step, and like you said, you have seen the success journeys, and maybe that
Yeah.
helped you take
And
that
one
step.
of them, I follow their success footprints blindly.
Okay. Okay.
Like blindly, literally.
Cool.
And that's really helped me, I have to say.
Yeah. Actually, that's a very good point you bring up. So when you're an entrepreneur, right, it's a journey. You don't know. You don't. There's no map for it, right? So just imagine just standing on the edge of a very dense forest. Don't know how you're going to cross it, right? So what you said is very important. I think look at the people who've been successful in
Yes.
doing this.
Yeah.
Learn from them.
So if anybody is looking to be an entrepreneur, the first step for them is to explore, right? So explore the opportunity and try with small steps, like take small risks, right? Don't go invest like 100,000 or $200,000 if you feel that you're not confident. Otherwise, you can surely go and invest more. And if you feel that you have the skill, for example, somebody starts a company, and they're investing on their dream, right? They know that okay, this is going to work. And if you have that confidence, for sure you can go and invest a lot more and build your dreams. But again, if you think that, so for example, for me, when I saw this opportunity, I didn't know anything about marketing either, digital
Yeah.
marketing, nothing. But I thought when I checked more about this opportunity, I thought it is a very simple skill that I can learn. So if I just put in some time and effort, I can surely make this happen for me. And I saw a lot of people who are normal people like us, who were employees, who were doing this business. So what my thought was that if that person can do this, I can surely do this, is what I felt. So that was my confidence when I started.
Makes sense.
Right? So I think
And even I mean, like Kavya, even though you said that Nandini is from another field, right? But then look at us, right? We are from the online.
IT.
We are in IT, but is that easy? Does that make it easy for us? No, it's still the same risk. It's still that same fear that you have. But like we talked in some other episode, right? Take that first step, right? Don't have to be perfect. Just try a little bit, right?
That's it, what she said. A little bit, invest
Yeah,
little
exactly.
bits at a
Yeah,
time.
that's right.
You know, go cannily. That's fine. But please don't not go.
But again, when you are building the confidence, you should also have the right mindset, is what I believe, right?
Okay.
If you don't come in and start a business having that employee mindset,
Yeah.
right? So you should know that when you're starting a business, you need patience to build a business. So if you're planning to be an entrepreneur, have that patience to work on your skills. First you have to learn the skills, you have to put your effort, and it might take a few months or a few years, but it will surely work for you. So I think mindset also plays a lot of, like, it plays a very important role when it comes to building your confidence too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so in my post, I talk about this regularly, right? Your entrepreneurial journey, right, is sort of like being a farmer, right?
Yes.
You got your most precious things are your seeds, right? And you're just literally throwing it into the ground, right? Covering it up, feeding it with water and air and everything, in the hope that maybe a few months later, and you consistently keep nurturing it, nourishing it.
Consistently.
Consistently.
That's a very
That's
important
important.
That's
word.
right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So that way, it's very similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think, to summarize it, like, to be an entrepreneur, to build your confidence to become an entrepreneur, first thing is you have to try exploring the opportunity, try exploring different opportunities, different ideas, then take small steps and
Yes.
small risks, right? So if you're not very confident, you can take small risks
Yeah.
and try new skills, right? And then second thing is work on your mindset. Don't expect result the next day you
Yeah.
start your business. So you'll have to build your business slowly, patiently, and the third point is consistency. So you have to be really consistent in doing things for your business. You can't do something today and wait for 2 months again and restart again.
Yeah, and about the mindset, what you said, you have to be in that, you have to enjoy the moment, you have to enjoy the journey.
Correct.
Make that enjoyable for yourself.
Yeah.
Nice. Very good points.
Yeah.
Well, see you guys next time. Bye.